Hi guys, today I'm at the Pop Century Resort. It's one of Walt Disney World's value resorts, so that means it's on the cheaper scale, but still, who knows. But today I'm just going to walk around and kind of have some food and stuff like that, so come on. So here's the lobby from the poolside, and here's the fast forward arcade. We used to go in here, but now they don't give tickets or anything anymore, so it's kind of like, what's the point? It's still fun if you like to throw away your money. Here's more of where you check in. What? You're telling me this isn't from today? Everybody loves essential oils. Beanie Babies are filled with spider eggs. So Everything Pop is the name of the food court and gift shop. They're combined in this one. They kind of started doing that like after they built the All-Stars and all that. Like Art of Animation is the same way. It's kind of cool. It's good. Right? I don't know if y'all ever read Piccadilly. Tastes like Piccadilly. And then how are you gonna come here and not get tie-dye cheesecake? It literally tastes just like cheesecake, and it's got a red velvet crust. And it is delicious. Oh my god. I finished this, but one large complaint, there's like this little like divot in the middle, so you don't get as much as you think you're getting. Like, look. How dare they? Because it doesn't look like that from the bottom. It's got all this on it. Dumb. Another cool tip is that hot chocolate is pretty much free, so just fill up your cup. If you have time and you're not in the parks, you can pick up a game of Twister. So that's cool. So kind of like All-Star, everything is oversized, like this giant Mickey Mouse. And then the big wheel, I guess. Pretty cool. And then this is what the hotels look like. Got mood rings and moon shoes and wet forward. Here's another one. Neat. Here's a closer look at it. I think it looks pretty cool, and it's going to be neat to go over the water kind of like that. The one thing is that air conditioning. Like, I'm going to die. Pop Century has 3 pools. There's like a keyboard, not a keyboard, there's a computer style pool and a bowling pin shaped pool. And then the big pool, which is by the food court and all that, is called the Hippy Dippy Pool. So if you like swimming, I guess. And this looks like it's a kiddie pool. There's no one in it, and that's good because it'd be weird if I was filming little children in there, but nonetheless. Okay, that's it. I gotta go home. I hope you like this. If you want to see more or you want me to do something else, let me know. Bye.